we're going to have the review tree, naming and measuring angles. So we must be able to name the angles and measure, then find the sum of angles. How to name the given angles? So we can name the angle in three ways. First, using the vertex point. Example, angle B. Second, using the three letters of the point. The vertex point is in the middle. So the vertex point, example, we have the angle B. So if we are going to name in three letters, for example, angle A, B, C. So B is the vertex and it is in the middle of the three letters. Third, using the letters of the point also, but we're going to inverse the three letters as given on this second. For example, this is angle ABC, so we just write inverse. It will be angle CBA. Still, the vertex is in the middle of the three letters. How to measure the given angles? To measure angle, step 1, place the center mark of the protractor on vertex. Step 2, adjust the baseline of the protractor such that it is on the line. Step 3, from line, start reading from 0 degrees to the other line. So let's name and measure each marked angle in the figure.
We're going to measure the angles in this figure. So we're going to find the angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D. So let's have first angle A. So we're going to place the center mark at the vertex. Make sure that the line aligned to the baseline and start reading at 0 degrees. So this is 0 degrees. So the inner scale, so let's read until in this line. So this is 80 degrees. So angle A is 80 degrees. Let's have angle B. So still place the center mark at the vertex. The line must be on the baseline and start reading at 0. So we start here in outer scale until the line, it will be 100 degrees. So angle B is 100 degrees. Okay, let's have angle C. Vertex at the center mark, align on the baseline, then start reading at 0 degrees. So here is 0 in inner scale. So let's read until the other line, 110. Between 110 and 120 is, very good, 115. So angle C is 115 degrees. How about angle D? Vertex at the center mark, align the baseline and read at 0. So 0 on outer scale until here, this is 65 degrees. So angle D is 65 degrees.
Find the sum of the angles formed. So here, we're going to find the sum, but what we're going to do first, we need to measure the angles. So we have 1, 2, 3 angles. So we need to use protractor to measure the angles. Then, we're going to find the sum, or we're just going to add the angles.
To find the sum of these angles, we need to measure first the angles that form. So we have here angle BOC. Let's measure angle BOC. So the vertex is here. So we're going to place the center mark here. And one line must be aligned to the baseline. It's either this line or this line. So let's have this line OC. Then start reading at 0 in inner scale until the other line. So this is 140 degrees. So angle BOC is 140 degrees. Let's have angle AOB. So place the vertex at the center mark and the line must on the base line. Start reading at 0. So 0 is on outer scale until here. This is 130 degrees. One last angle AOC. So place the center mark on the vertex, then line on the baseline. Start reading at 0. So here this is 90 degrees. So if we're going to find the sum, we're going to add all the angles. So 130 degrees plus 140 degrees plus 90 degrees is equal to, very good, 360 degrees.
What did you learn to this lesson? You learned how to measure the given angles, and you know how to find the sum of the angles formed. To sum up our lesson, to measure an angle, the vertex must be on this center mark, and ray of the angle must be on the baseline. If you're going to read the angle, must start at 0 degrees until the other line. So this angle is 45 degrees. To find the sum of the angles, we need to measure the angles first. So angle BAE is 105 degrees. Angle BAC is 65 degrees. Angle CAD is 55 degrees. And angle DAE is 135 degrees. So if we're going to find the sum, we just add 55 degrees plus 65 degrees plus 105 degrees plus 135 degrees is equal to 360 degrees.